Hello everyone, need to delete your DeepSeek account? I'll guide you through the process in just few simple steps. First, open the DeepSeek app. Once you are logged in, tap the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen to open the menu. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom of your screen. This is where you can manage all your account settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the option that says Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account to proceed. A confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to delete your account. Tap Delete again to confirm. And that's it. Your DeepSeek account is now deleted. Be sure that you really want to delete your account because this action is permanent. Once deleted, you can't recover any data or messages. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share it with others, and subscribe for more quick guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.